This is a box.
No.
Bubble. A
Yes.
laser key sheet. This is the front of the box. The side. Another side. The back. The bottom. And the top. First hand on, and I can feel right away that this has the premium controller feel like the Xbox controller, which is quite nice. Now I'm going to peel off the plastic. Okay, now before we move on to the controller, let's see what else is in the box. A manual and stickers. Inside the manual, a few important information are: this controller only support pass-through slow charging, no USB audio, and when you collapse your controller, you have to line this part up in the middle. And that's pretty much it. Now, let's put our phone into the controller. Simply pull these two tabs outward. As soon as you put it in, you realize it is too small. There are two ways to fix here. The first is remove your phone case and it fits perfectly. Or you can remove the rubber part of the controller, which is my preferred way. According to Laser, just pull gently here. Gently! And boom, you got it out. Do the same for another side. Now it's going to fit your phone. Not quite perfectly, but it's still better than removing your phone case and putting it back in after playing. Doing it this way is much less cumbersome. Before we play games, the software I use to play any Android games with this controller is Mantis Gamepad. It costs around $3, but it is needed to enjoy all games with no problem. As for why not use the Laser Gamepad app? Simple, it's broken.
Fail.
And even if it does work, it also gets you banned because it uses Octopus. End of story. Now let's play game already. A little bit background of myself. I mainly use gyroscope to aim, so I set sensitivity of normal touch aim to be really high. I totally suck with PL controller aim, so please endure my crap skill here.
Double kill. Triple kill. Target detected. Double kill.
Also, technically, Battleplan and Call of Duty Mobile support controller, but it does not recognize laser keysheet, so it doesn't work without Mantis Gamepad.
Enemy contact.
Capturing B.
Enemy down. Reloading.
We're capturing Alpha. We lost A.
Contact with enemy. Hey!
Overall, if you love playing first-person shooters, Laser Kishi will do the job as well as an Xbox controller does. Now, for the fighting game though, I don't have problem with Xbox style D-pad, but the D-pad position is going to be a bit uncomfortable for long play. And in general, Xbox style D-pad just doesn't work as well as PlayStation D-pad. So I might not recommend this controller if you are mainly going to play 2D platformer or fighting game.
Mankind Mutant. Duel 1. Let's rock.
As for racing game though, this is where the Laser Kishi shine. With the analog triggers which allow you to slowly push the pedal. And the analog is big enough to allow you to slightly adjust your steering instead of just left and right. Now, another reason why I highly recommend using Mantis gamepad is because of the incomplete controller support. Punishing Grey 11 support controller, but to advance dialogue, you must touch your screen. With Mantis, it's only emulate touch, so you can just press the button. Other than that, somehow, I feel like there's no input buffer with controller in this game. You'll see how I don't complete the combo most of the time, even though I already pressed the button. So to complete a combo attack, I must be frame perfect with a controller. You can see I'm literally mashing here to get my attack out. And look, this tutorial doesn't even support controller, even though the control is exact same as touch. So why? And now we are at the end of this video. Laser Kishi is one of the great 3 telescopic controllers. The other two are Gameser X2 and Backbone. If you are interested in how it compares, you can check out comparison video by Complete Geek TV. But before that, let's go over pros and cons of this Laser Kishi specifically. The pros are good build quality, best analog sticks, and the most compact portable controller out of all. And here's a few personal requests that's not really a con, but it's more of a personal opinion. The first is, it needs audio out. It should have audio, either a 3.5mm port or upgrade the USB-C to support audio. And it needs Bluetooth version. I'm not asking for Bluetooth only version, but more of a hybrid that allow you to switch between the two, just like the Joy-Con. And my last request is, it should support more devices like PC or PS4. If the bottom USB-C port can output controller data, then it could turn this into secondary controller. Now for the cons, the first is USB-C head is unmovable. This could lead to potential broken phone port or broken controller if you are not careful. Second is too large rubber parts. Fun fact, it's so big it doesn't even fit Laser phone. A phone made by Laser. What the frick? And the software support is pretty much non-existent. So remember to save $3 for Mantis Gamepad app. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, then why not hit that like button? And hey, if you want to see more from me, then why not also press that subscribe button? And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye